Good morning. This is the Cowboy Kitchen. We're here at the Hughston's Cow Camp Rodeo grounds in Mcbain, Michigan. It's Saturday morning. It's Labor Day weekend, and we're going to do some homemade biscuits in the Dutch ovens. We got the coffee brewing, and we got a bunch of hot coals that we need to get ready. So let's get started with the biscuits. I already mixed my flour, salt, and baking powder in there. And this is a double batch, by the way. So normally you would only use a half a stick of butter, but I'm going to use a full stick because it's double batch. So I'll go ahead and mix this in, and I'll mix it in the flour, and then I'll put it on the board, and we'll knead it. We'll be back in a few minutes. Alright, we're back. I just got this all mixed in, mashed my flour into the butter. I'm going to put it on the board and we're going to knead it. Get it all out of there. Let me wash my hands real quick. Okay. I'm going to put some more flour on there. Put it all together. People are just getting up. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning. You want to knead the dough about 10 times or more. Alrighty. Looking good. Flour your board. Here's my biscuit cutter. It's an old tin can. Alright, so just put all your biscuits in there. Now get this all cut up. Come on, zoom in here. I'll tell you what I usually do. I put this in the cake pan, and I have some of these, you gotta zoom in here. I got 1 inch by 1 inch tubing. And so when you lay the pan in, it lifts the pan up to about middle of your Dutch oven. So therefore you get even heat top and bottom, just like your oven at home. So I'll go ahead and finish cutting these here out. We'll put it in there and put some hot coals, and we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, y'all, we got the biscuits in the Dutch oven. We're going to be putting the hot coals on top and bottom. We got two things of it. So we're going to be stacking them. Come on, where's the... Oh, here it is. Should take about 20 minutes if you preheat your Dutch ovens. It might only take you 10 minutes, so you just got to check them. Alright, I'll finish putting the coals on top, and we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, let's check these biscuits. Cameraman, you might want to get closer. Oh yeah, nice and golden brown. I forgot to get my welding gloves. Oh, come on. Here we go. Let me go ahead and flip them on the board. There they are. Nice and golden brown on the bottoms as well. We'll be back a little bit and see if everyone likes them.
Oh yeah.
You gotta go up there.
Get yourself in the picture, Carol. Come on.
You're gonna have to like it. See, he's coming in and get close up.
Hot. They're hot. Okay.
No swearing, we're on camera.
On your belly now. Sober yourself
Cowboys
up
don't
a bit.
swear.
Alright y'all, this is the Cowboy Kitchen. We're out to cow camp having biscuits gravy. Watch for more videos. We'll see you next time.